Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session. Children, so far in the previous classes we have learnt about the population and different concepts relating to the population we have seen. We have seen the population structure based on the age. How did we divide the population structure you have seen, and apart from that the literacy rate and the definition of the literacy rate we have seen, and we try to understand the difference between the male education and the female education, the differences being shown, the privilege being given to the men education in the society. And then we moved on to the concept like sex ratio, the preference of having a male child also we have seen, and female infanticide. We try to understand the inequalities emerging between the male and female, that is gender discrimination we have seen. And we also try to understand about the population density, and the working population was further classified, how the changes in the population takes place, what is the population growth rate. So these kind of concepts we have seen in the previous classes. Now let us move on to the concept relating to the population only, that is about the migration and settlements. Generally people move from one place to another place in order to find a job or for a better educational opportunities and for a better living, isn't it? They move. Such kind of a movement is called as a migration. Moving from one place to another place is called as migration. And what is settlement? People get settled at a particular place depending upon various factors, okay, and they lead their life there. All through these years people have led a nomadic life, moving from one place to another place in search of food, but now they had the knowledge of growing the food, so they started leading a settled life. So where does these settlements take place especially, and what are the factors which really influence for the settlement of a group in a particular place, also we shall see under this unit called as migration and settlement. So for years, for about 1.8 lakh years, early humans lives in a band, in a group, as a hunter gatherers, and they did not practice agriculture because they don't have the knowledge of agriculture at that time. However, owing to the changes in ways of obtaining food, and some bands took to deliberate method of food production, agricultural knowledge slowly they have gained, and as agriculturists they started increasingly sedentary life. That means living in a single place, in a settled place they started. And these settlements have changes. Settlements change for many reasons. We shall also read about various reasons why the settlements change through the example of Delhi. And you need to remember three things in mind. So whenever the settlements take place, it is because of the three reasons. There will be a historical need, or otherwise the site, and the third one is the security. These are the three factors which influences the settlement of a place. So we shall read a case study relating to the settlements of Delhi, how the Delhi settlements have taken place, the unauthorized settlement, and what it is called if the settlement, the population is below 5,000. If it is above 10 lakh, what the settlement is called as. We shall see in the further class about the settlements and migration, children. Thank you.